This video is brought to you by Aviation Training Hub, a center of excellence in aircraft maintenance engineering. Aviation Training Hub believes that the future of education is changing, and now is the time for skill-based international standard professional learning. Aviation Training Hub is empowering young Pakistani students to meet an ever-growing demand of aircraft engineers worldwide. It provides high-standard theoretical and required practical training on its aircraft and hangar facilities. If you are someone exploring career options, I recommend you check out the prospects of aircraft maintenance engineering too. Click the website link in the description to find out more about aircraft maintenance engineering and apply now.